Here is the final product, all the tie-in. Everything's been taped, top, skimmed, and skip trowel textured. Looking really nice. All the corner beads on. That's Brad, the general from Hannah Construction. And yeah, everything looks really good. Fireplace done. Got the corner bead on there. Still drying. But yeah, looks really great. Over here, kitchen area. Again, joints look really good. Everything's widened out. Make sure everything's flat. You see the skylight. Corners came out nice. They're gonna have wood casing on those windows once everything's painted and all the trim, the flooring. So, but yeah, this is it, guys. Appreciate you guys watching and have a great day. Thank you.